How to create a group in iPhone contacts. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Contacts application on your phone. The Contacts app on iPhone is a built-in application for managing contact information. It allows users to store names, phone numbers, email addresses, and other details for individuals and organizations. This is your iPhone keypad. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on Contacts in the middle. You can find all your contacts over here. Here, go to Lists at the top left corner. You can view all your contact lists over here. Tap on Add List at the top right corner if you want to add another list. Now, type in the list name and then tap on Done. Tap on this list. Here, tap on Add Contacts to People contacts to this list. Search for or select contacts from here and then tap on Done. You have now successfully created a list in your contacts. Following these steps, you can easily create a group in iPhone contacts.